We have a mix of water sources in Perth, including our precious groundwater. It's used for scheme supply, irrigating parks and sports grounds, and for domestic garden bores. So we need to look after it. If you've got a bore, like I do here at my place in Hilton, then it's important to know how it works and how to maintain it. A garden bore taps into groundwater and brings it to the surface for use on lawns and gardens. Maintenance is key. Keep a record of the bore location, construction details and pump model. Whether old or new, ensure there is a protective bore cover as well as scheduling maintenance of the pump and irrigation system. Perth's precious groundwater is showing the impact of climate change, as reduced rainfall means less groundwater recharge. So we need to get smart and take action.